Hi guys, welcome back to Tigre Gitana. My name is Abby and today I'm going to be showing you how to cleanse and bless your houseplants. I just got this plant at my favorite flower shop / crystal shop. It's called Devil's Ivy and I am going to be cleansing it, and I wanted to green up my space a little bit, green up the apothecary space. I got some dirt right there, okay. Green up the apothecary space and just add more earthy vibes to my space, to my office. So I got this plant. This plant is relatively easy to take care of, and I'm going to show you what you're going to need to do to cleanse it, but you can do this for other plants as well, just not exactly the same way because we're going to be using water for this. And I guess it's a really cool thing that we're doing this under a Scorpio moon because we're using water. But I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need. You're going to need a vase, then you're going to need some water, so we're going to use that. You're going to need a plant of your choice, and you're going to need a bowl full of water as well. You're also going to need a crystal of your choice. Devil's Ivy is really good for prosperity, good luck, removing negative vibes. It cleanses the oxygen as well. It's just really good for attracting abundance. So I'm going to be using citrine because that's like, it's my favorite go-to for that. You're also going to need some sage, and I'm going to show you how you're going to use this. So the first thing that you're going to do is cleanse your face, and the way you're going to do it is you're going to grab your sage. I'm just going to burn it up a little bit. And anytime I'm using anything with a vessel, I cleanse a vessel. Anytime you're doing anything, anytime I'm making the oils or anything, I always cleanse it. And it's important to just cleanse your vessel, because you can't just be doing a whole bunch of magical stuff and then you don't cleanse what you're putting it in, you know what I mean? So you're gonna smoke that out, that all the way, and you can immediately feel the shift in the vibration of the base. So glass is made out of different crystals, and so they carry their own energy, especially while they're sitting at the shelf, and like who they're getting passed down by in the factories and all this stuff. So you're still getting crystals, but it needs to shift, like the vibration needs to recalibrate to what you want it to. And that's why we're using sage. So you smoke that out. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a hot minute while we work on everything else. So the next thing that you're gonna do, I already kind of deep potted it a little bit, but you're gonna pretty much take your plant. I got 3 of these vases because I know not this whole thing is not gonna fit in here. I got 3 of them, and what you're gonna do is I took the majority of the dirt off, but we're gonna start cleansing in water. You can start kind of pulling it out. You're gonna start cleansing the actual plant, and the reason for this is that this specific plant, if you're gonna, you can grow it on earth, but it's actually really good to grow it in water as well. If you decide to grow it in water, it needs to be, it can't have any dirt in it because then it gets bacteria. So I'm just gonna grab all the little pieces, and we're gonna work on it a bit at a time, but this is like detangling hair right now because, okay. Good thing is that I'm really good at detangling hair because as you can see from my fro. So let me just, and they told me at the shop that I'm gonna have to name my plants, which is gonna be a fun experience. Okay. All right, so that's one. And so you're gonna just, this is why we're gonna use a bowl of water. We're gonna make sure that there's no dirt on it. So you make sure that the root is clean. And while you're giving it this wonderful spiritual bath, you can set your intention while you're doing this, because this is pretty much a plant spiritual bath right now that we're doing. And if you see any dead leaves, just take those out. You're going to start grabbing your other ingredients in here. you're gonna put the crystal at the bottom. I'm gonna do that first. You're gonna pour the water. If you wanted to, you can totally set an intention for the water if that's something that you want to do. However, it's going to start crystallizing. It's going to take 10 minutes to crystallize in here from the amethyst. But it's fine because regardless of what time you put it in, it's going to crystallize while the plant is already in there. So don't, you know, freak out or anything like that. Or on timing. Like, timing is just, you know, you're working with nature. So do you. Then you could just start plopping in the bits and pieces. And this is gonna look so pretty. Okay. Ooh. This is one of those plants that I feel like everybody has in their kitchen because it's just such a kitchen plant. Am I crazy? It's such a kitchen plant. It's like a really, really, just everybody has this plant in their kitchen. Everybody and their mother. So I bought 3 of these vases because obviously this is a lot of plant for the amount of vase that I'm, you know, for that small vase. So I wanted to make sure that I was setting myself up for success. So I bought 3 of them because I'm going to put them, one in my altar, one in my apothecary space. I think I'm gonna have 2 here. We're gonna see how I'm gonna set that up later. Okay, just be careful when you're kind of breaking it apart with the root because you don't want to like hurt the plant. You come with love, you know what I'm saying? So you give it a nice rub down, but don't kill the plant. Just breaking it apart slowly. Then I'm actually just gonna, because most of it is just a root, I'm just gonna take it and plop it in the water just so it can start breaking apart some of that water right there. Ooh. There we go. And now I just look like I have a majestic, I'm in the jungle a little bit. Ooh. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you would bless and cleanse your houseplant. I personally would take the moment to Reiki it and just set an intention. Or if you wanted to do a prayer, you can also do a prayer. There we go. I completely made a hot mess, but it's okay. So, and then if you wanted to pick a name at this point, you could pick a name. I'm still like thinking about a name, hilariously. What name should I give you? Because I'm gonna have like 3 different ones, so I'm like, what name should I give you? So I'm gonna just take the time to just sit with it a little bit and set my intention for the plant and for what I wanted to do. So you can say something like, I welcome you into my space. I ask that you help cleanse the air, cleanse any toxins, bring love and abundance and good luck into my home, into my space, into my energy, into my aura. Thank you for being part of my space. Thank you for being part of this journey. And I hope that you will be with me for a long time. And then I'm going to Reiki it, but I'm going to do it in my head. Okay. So that has been set. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys wanted to know. I'll probably let you guys know in the next video what I ended up calling the plants. Or on my Instagram, I'll like post it. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.